Long ago, keeping food fresh was really hard. People used ice blocks to cool their food, but it didn't last long. In the 1840s, a doctor named John Gorrie wanted to help his patients stay cool. He invented a machine that made ice. Gorrie's invention was the first step toward the refrigerator. It helped keep food cool and fresh for longer. By the 1920s, electric refrigerators were being made in factories. Now, people could keep their food fresh with just the push of a button. Today, we use refrigerators every day to keep our food fresh and cool, thanks to those early inventors. And that's the cool story of the refrigerator. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun history stories.